DJI continues expanding its action camera lineup, with rumors swirling about the DJI OSMO Action 6 following the successful launch of the OSMO Action 5 Pro. Though official details remain undisclosed, regulatory filings hint at what's to come about DJI OSMO Action 6. FCC filings referencing DJI OSMO Action 6 suggest development is nearly complete, omitting the Pro designation from the previous model. This raises speculation about a dual model release. Additional Swiss regulatory filings indicate a global launch, possibly in early 2025. These filings suggest that DJI is seeking certifications across multiple regions, reinforcing the likelihood of a worldwide debut. The filings reveal Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz/5 GHz, ensuring reliable connectivity for seamless file transfers and pairing with accessories. More intriguingly, two battery capacities, 1,770 mAh and 1,950 mAh, suggest standard and Pro versions. The Pro may feature enhanced battery life, advanced stabilization, and high-resolution recording, while the standard version could cater to casual users prioritizing portability and affordability. If DJI does release two variants, the Pro model may offer premium features like extended recording times, enhanced durability, and improved lens technology. Meanwhile, the standard model could focus on simplicity and ease of use, making it ideal for those new to action cameras. The OSMO Action 5 Pro was praised for its compact size and image quality, but had room for improvement in low-light performance and resolution. The OSMO Action 6 may introduce better low-light capabilities, 6K or even 8K video recording, and AI-powered stabilization. Competing with GoPro's hyper-smooth technology, DJI might introduce hybrid stabilization combining optical and electronic methods to ensure ultra-smooth footage in challenging conditions. Another area for improvement is dynamic range and HDR capabilities. Enhancing these features would help the OSMO Action 6 deliver more vivid, true-to-life colors, even in high-contrast environments. Additionally, DJI may refine its microphone technology to improve onboard audio capture, addressing user concerns about wind noise and sound clarity. DJI's strength lies in offering premium features at competitive prices. If two models are released, the standard version could serve as an entry-level option, while the Pro model targets professionals seeking high performance and durability. This strategy allows DJI to appeal to a broad audience and strengthen its market position. A tiered pricing strategy would ensure accessibility for budget-conscious consumers while still delivering high-end features for enthusiasts and professionals. Additionally, DJI may expand its ecosystem by introducing new accessories such as modular components, external microphones, or extended battery packs. These add-ons could enhance usability and provide more customization options for users with different needs. With regulatory filings typically appearing months before official announcements, the OSMO Action 6 could launch in early 2025. This timing aligns with GoPro's Hero 13 Black release and competition from Insta 360. To stand out, DJI may introduce innovative features such as voice-activated controls, extended dynamic range, or modular components for customization. Competition in the action camera market remains fierce, with brands continuously pushing technological boundaries. DJI's strategy will likely focus on refining its software and AI capabilities, enabling features like automated editing, intelligent subject tracking, and improved time-lapse modes. These advancements could set the OSMO Action 6 apart from its rivals and appeal to content creators looking for efficiency and convenience. The OSMO Action 6 promises exciting advancements, including improved battery options, connectivity, and possibly a multi-model lineup. Whether capturing extreme adventures or everyday moments, it aims to deliver superior performance for diverse users. DJI's ability to innovate while maintaining affordability will be crucial in determining its success against competitors. As we await official announcements, 2025 looks to be a thrilling year for action camera enthusiasts. Stay tuned for updates and let us know what features you're